And I might as well start covering SHIB too. Didn't really expect to do bone long term, but now I am kind of fascinated with it, and it caught my attention. So I'm gonna start covering SHIB a little bit here, see how it goes. All right, I got we're gonna take a deep delve into this chart here in a second. I put the yellow lines are support and resistance, and the blue lines are also support and resistance here. So we're going to take a look here at this chart here in a second. I got a really great article for you guys. Shiba Inu burn rate skyrockets by 500% as more than 500 million SHIB burned. And if you enjoy this and you like me covering this, please hit the like and subscribe, and consider becoming a member of the community. You can do that in the description of the video. Also running a special on the trading videos that I have. I got 8 out right now. I add at least one a week. You can sign up for a level 3 membership. This month only $14.99, and you get access to them videos. I'm only running that till the end of the month, and it's going to go back up to the normal price of $24.99. So doing that, I would just like people to see people get in it, man. If you're interested in trading, they're good videos. You'll learn a lot. You'll get your $15 back out of one video, I guarantee that. So, all right, let's go down through this. Shiba Inu burn rate is in the green, seeing a 500% increase from the previous day, as several million of SHIB are sent to the fiery furnace. Wow. Several millions of SHIB. The week that just concluded saw over 500 million SHIB burned, with millions of SHIB also sent to dead wallets in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, there have been a total of 564,273,572 SHIB tokens burned and 88 transactions. Pretty impressive. The weekly burn rate 73%. So goes down here per SHIB burn. A total of 564 million tokens were burned and 88 transactions in the last 7 days. This is worth $4,425. The weekly burn rate is down by 74% per the graphic posted. The last 24 hours saw a total of 135 million SHIB burned and 11 transactions, causing a 500% surge in the daily burn rate. Shiba Inu records 1,173 large holder inflows in Epic Week. Wow. At the time of writing, SHIB was marginally down almost 1% in the last 24 hours to point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5 zeros? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5078. The token is down 3.64% in the last 7 days. The week gone by saw the successful launch of Shibarium, and I covered that in yesterday's video. We took a look at it. Pretty awesome site. The new Shiba Inu Layer 2 blockchain has drawn over 1 million interacting wallets, signaling its utility and adoption. And here's Bone. I cover Bone almost daily. Check the videos out. Got big. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, I gotta say that, but I see big things for Bone. Check out that video I put out yesterday. In an update, Shiba Inu lead Shitosuke Kusama made it known that Wrap Bone was completed, and then an announcement will be made soon by Shiba Inu developer called Diaria. In an I probably butchered that, I'm sorry. In an X post, Shiba Inu team member Lucy explains further about Wrap Bone, which stands for Wrap Bone, and W-Bone. W-Bone is a Shibarium-based token that represents Bone in a standardized form, compatible with the Shibarium network smart contracts and dApps. Wrap Bone enhances the compatibility of Bone with other tokens and dApps on the Shibarium network. Users can wrap their Bone tokens into W-Bone, which allows them to seamlessly interact with various DeFi protocols and DEXs that may require tokens to be in a standardized format. I didn't know a lot about that either, guys, until I looked into the wrapped. They have wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped ETH, almost wrapped everything, and that makes it compatible with some of the other networks, Ethereum and all that stuff. So that's what that is. All right, let's move on here. Show you the crypto bubbles real quick. Not a lot to talk about over here. We pull up Bone. Let's take a look here. Or SHIB, I apologize, I'm so used to covering bone. SHIB. See what we got. Shiba Inu, ranked number 16. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I did not know that SHIB was ranked 16th. That's very impressive. Market cap 4.5 billion, 78 million in volume over the last 24 hours. All right, so pretty impressive, guys. I did not know that. I gotta start covering this more. All right, so if we go over here to the chart, this is on the monthly. All right, you can see the blue line. That is a resistance level. This blue line here was a support. If we zoom in, all right, this is on the weekly. You can see that we lost that support, this blue line here. That's how you track your momentum of a coin. You can learn that in the trading classes, but it lost that. Okay, so now it's doing something else. More than likely, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a 5-wave down to me. All right, you know, right here. Let me show you this. Looks like a really standard 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should be a 5th wave down. All right, we're gonna look at a price target here. You know, I hate to be the bearer of bad news on that, but usually 5 waves down then signals a bottom, and you can continue on your way up here. Let me show you. Let's see what we got here. Is this it? No. That's the members. Oh, that's the trading classes that I have on there. The trading videos. You can see 25 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, half hour, 10 minutes. That's for your better entries. Bullish, bearish divergence, 20 minutes. Bullish and bearish chart patterns. That shows you all the different chart patterns, cup and handles. You can screenshot it and save it for yourself. But this video lets you identify them, price targets for them, and everything else. And this is a video on if you long or short the market, which you can long and short every single day. You can short on a 15-minute a coin. You don't short the whole crypto market. That's had somebody comment on that. You track the progress of a coin, and that's how you get into a short. Just like this here, you track the progress up. When it breaks that momentum, it's doing something else. All right, so this looks like a 5th wave coming down. This is probably going to be maybe a big ABC in here. Let's take a look. All right, we're on the weekly. Where would the next where would the be good? Let's go out to the monthly and see if there's anything down there. Yeah, we got a bottom down here. All right, let's see here. Let's move this up here. This is on the monthly chart. Your monthly, this will be your strongest areas of support. Okay, you put your lines on. There's a wick there. Over here was resistance. Over here it was support through here. So this is a very good, very strong line. You know, the further you go out on a timeline, the stronger the support and resistance areas that you mark are. Right, this one here, very good area. This will probably be a bottom in here. Maybe we have this wick down here. I kind of like a coin like this. Look at these wicks. That means sellers came in and drove the price back down. A wick on the bottom means buyers came in and tried to push the price back up. Okay, wicks on top are sellers. Wicks on the bottom are buyers. All right, you can see here. You had some buyers come in here and try to push the price back up. This looks like a 5-wave down, guys. Quite honestly, I shoot it like it is. I say it like it is, and I don't want to give anybody false hope in anything, because you end up looking really dumb. You got a support right there also. All right, so these areas, one of these two look like a bottom here. Let's go back on the weekly. Pull up the RSI. This is the relative strength index down here in the regular RSI. Okay, on the weekly we were bearish, 49 and a 67. All right, so it's pulling down on the weekly. The monthly looks great. The monthly is at a 12 and a 10. It's reset. Okay, and it's bullish on the monthly. So this thing is looking for a bottom right now. All right, and it's trying to find it. Once it does find it, that monthly can really push you up. If you take let's take a quick measurement here. Last time the monthly pushed up was right here. That ended up being it was a roughly 100% rise. Right now when their monthly hasn't been on here long, obviously, because the coin hasn't been around for 5 or 10 years here. So the monthly's bullish. That's fantastic. The weekly needs to finish this drawdown. The daily is still coming down, almost resets at a 2 and a 13. All right, so let's dig into this daily a little bit deeper. Let's pull this together. All right, whoops, no, I gotta lock that. I apologize. There we go. This up here means nothing, so it's too far away from price action, so we're gonna get that off the board. All right, let's zoom in here. If you want to go into the 12-hour, the 12-hour is just about reset. The 8-hour is reset and bullish, and the 4-hour is just about reset. All right, so let's go back here. Alright, I'm trying to get a target here for this drop. Okay, put it on the 4-hour here. Trying to get the best look at this I possibly can. Alright, that might be way too far down for that is way too far down for possibly the bottom there. Back on a weekly here. Okay, it lost that momentum. It's probably, like I said, it's probably doing an ABC in here and a 5-wave down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This came back up, did not rise above the wave 1 bottom right here. You see that? The top here? It did not rise above here. So this looks like a typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're looking for a bottom. Quite honestly, I would target the 5 zeros, 543 area for this 5th wave. Like I said, let's see here. 1, 2. This is definitely, this wick here is kind of messing with my measurements, so we're just gonna leave it 4. And then you're going to have your 5th wave down there. All right, so yeah, the price target for it should be, in my opinion, down around the 5s, 543 area possibly. Expect this to definitely pull down. It's probably doing a big ABC right here. It'll come down. It'll come back up to a 618 probably. Right in here, you put a fib on it. Alright, this thing's probably going to get a bounce right up to this 618 up here at 920 area, somewhere around the 9s. It's going to do something like this, I would imagine. Alright, if this is bottomed right now, you're going to get a bounce up to the 618. That's what normally happens. That's where traders get in their short. Okay, the bounce right there at 618, and then we'll get this drop coming in. That should, in my opinion, that I would be watching for that. You put your stop loss above the previous high over here, so you don't, because you can get wicks up, obviously, with a very volatile coin like this. But in my opinion, it's doing something like that. Okay, definitely doing a pull down. Got the weekly dragging down. Same thing's going on with Cospa right now. I cover it. Same thing's going on with Bone. Go watch that Bone video. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'm expecting Bone to head down to right around 80 cents. That's a fantastic buy if it works out that way. It looks like it is. That this weekly is very powerful in pulling coins down. That's not a bad thing either. You know, you get better entries if you're looking to get in. All right, guys, thank you so very, very much. Have a great day, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll keep covering this coin. Have a great day, everybody.